this is Marcus with More Machine Tools in Accurl, USA. I'm down here in Nashville, Tennessee at Aaron & Cook & Co. I'm with Edgar. He just bought a 10-foot, 150-ton press brake from us. So Edgar, tell us the story, everything from sales to service to install to how the machine arrived, how'd it go?
Well, we originally were looking at a trunk machine, and we tried to track them down for almost 4 months. Couldn't get any response out of anybody. Jason with More Machine Tools called me back the same day. I think we had a contract signed in 2 days. We're financed up and delivered in less than 2 weeks. Our experience with More has been top-notch all the way through, from sales to shipping to install and to training. It's just been great.
Well, good. I'm glad that you've had a great experience, and I'm glad that you chose to go with us. And I hope in the future we have a good business and we keep selling machines to you, and you guys keep growing. And that's what we like to see. It's going to be great to be a partner with you.
We're gonna buy as much from More Machine Tool as we possibly can from here on out.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.